Have you ever wondered why giving kids free money can silently ruin their financial mindset? Now, most parents hand out allowances without teaching how money is earned. What if you treated kids like entrepreneurs instead of dependents? Commissions teach effort, reward, and real-world money skills early. This approach builds discipline, responsibility, and a wealth mindset. Kids learn money is earned, not guaranteed. This system turns chores into mini business lessons. So your child's future income mindset is shaped at home. This simple shift can create millionaires instead of consumers. Like, subscribe and comment if you want smarter parenting money strategies. Allowances teach entitlement, while commissions teach value creation. Most adults struggle with money because they never learned earning systems early. Commissions link effort directly to reward, reinforcing economic reality. This builds work ethic, discipline, and financial intelligence from childhood. Kids learn to negotiate, price tasks, and manage income decisions. Parents create a structured system instead of random handouts. This approach mirrors real-world jobs and entrepreneurship. Financial education becomes practical, not theoretical. Over time, kids internalize the idea that income comes from value creation. This method builds generational wealth habits from the ground up. Number 10, allowances create entitlement. Regular allowances can unintentionally teach children that money arrives without effort or contribution, fostering a subconscious sense of entitlement and weakening motivation to work. Kids may come to expect financial support without understanding responsibility, a mindset that can persist into adulthood and influence career choices, spending habits, and overall money behavior. Replacing allowances with earned commissions or rewards links income directly to effort, teaching children that their actions determine financial outcomes. This approach builds accountability, respect for money, and a sense of empowerment, turning children into active participants in earning rather than passive recipients. Over time, this shift reshapes lifelong financial psychology, instilling discipline, initiative, and a healthy relationship with wealth that carries into adulthood. Number 9, commissions teach real-world economics. Commissions mimic how jobs and businesses actually work, showing children that effort produces income and that higher effort leads to higher rewards. Kids begin to learn concepts like supply and demand, negotiation, productivity, and the value of skills in increasing earning potential. This approach mirrors real-world experiences such as freelance work, entrepreneurship, and performance-based bonuses in salaried jobs. Children connect productivity with tangible financial results, building economic intuition long before formal education begins. By discussing money, pricing, and rewards at home, kids become comfortable with financial conversations, while hands-on simulations prepare them for adult financial systems. Early earning experiences at home lay the foundation for economic literacy and a practical understanding of wealth creation. Number 8, commissions build work ethic. Earning money for completing tasks builds discipline and consistency, teaching children that effort is required to achieve financial goals. Through this process, they develop persistence, responsibility, and time management skills, while also experiencing delayed gratification and learning to plan strategically. Parents reinforce these positive habits through structured rewards, helping work ethic become internalized rather than imposed. Children take pride in earning rather than simply receiving, fostering independence, self-respect, and confidence. The discipline cultivated early not only supports academic and career success, but also lays the foundation for lifelong financial responsibility, as a strong work ethic remains one of the most reliable predictors of lifetime wealth. Number 7, commissions encourage entrepreneurship. Kids can propose tasks, negotiate rates, and even create small services, giving them hands-on experience in entrepreneurship, creativity, and problem solving. They learn to identify opportunities, monetize skills, and understand that income can be created, not just given. Parents take on the role of mentors rather than simply paymasters guiding and encouraging initiative. This system sparks innovation, builds confidence, and nurtures business instincts through small daily projects. Over time, these early entrepreneurship lessons shape future business leaders and cultivate a mindset of innovation, independence, and proactive wealth creation instead of a dependency. Number 6, commissions teach budgeting and money management. Earned money feels different than free money, teaching children to value what they've worked for. When kids earn their own income, they become more careful with spending and naturally learn budgeting, saving, and goal-setting skills. Parents can guide this learning by introducing savings targets and basic investment lessons, helping children understand the trade-offs between spending and saving. Experiencing real consequences for their financial choices reinforces responsible decision-making and makes money management practical rather than theoretical. Over time, this habit instills lifelong financial discipline, shaping a generation that approaches money thoughtfully and strategically. Number 5, commissions develop negotiation and communication skills. Kids learn to negotiate tasks, rates, and expectations, developing essential communication and persuasion skills. Through this process, they understand value exchange and the concept of mutual benefit, while parents model professional discussions and agreements. Negotiation becomes a practical life skill that benefits careers, relationships, and personal interactions. Children learn to advocate for themselves respectfully, building confidence and social intelligence. Strong communication skills directly enhance future earning potential, while lessons in fairness, boundaries, and clear expectations reinforce responsible behavior. Over time, these negotiation experiences compound, fostering leadership abilities and preparing kids to navigate complex financial and social situations successfully. Number 4, commissions reinforce merit-based rewards. Children learn that rewards are tied to their contribution, reinforcing the idea that effort leads to outcomes. This builds a sense of fairness, motivation, and understanding that effort matters more than entitlement. Merit-based systems prepare kids for academic and career environments, preventing entitlement mentality and fostering a growth mindset. Parents reinforce accountability and personal responsibility, helping children internalize cause and effect relationships with money. Over time, meritocracy becomes a natural belief system, shaping ambition, long-term success orientation, and a practical understanding of how wealth is created in capitalist systems. Number 3, commissions strengthen parent-child financial education. Money becomes a subject of teaching rather than secrecy, as parents use commissions to explain practical concepts like taxes, saving, investing, and budgeting through real-life examples. Children actively ask questions, experiment, and learn by doing, gaining hands-on experience rather than relying solely on textbooks. These family money discussions build trust, transparency, and open communication, reducing fear, confusion, and misinformation about finances. Parents serve as mentors and role models, integrating financial literacy into daily life as a practical, ongoing practice. Over time, this approach cultivates a financially literate family culture, where children develop critical skills, confidence, and disciplined habits that support long-term wealth creation and responsible money management. Number 2, commissions prepare kids for adult income systems. Children experience income variability based on their effort and performance, learning early that rewards are directly tied to contribution and initiative. This prepares them for real-world scenarios such as freelancing, sales, entrepreneurship, and performance-based bonuses in corporate environments, where effort and results determine success. As kids encounter fluctuations in income, they develop resilience, adaptability, and a clear understanding of productivity and value creation. Experiencing these dynamics reduces the shock of adult financial systems and helps them form realistic expectations about work, effort, and money. Performance-based income becomes familiar rather than stressful, making financial independence both visible and achievable. Over time, these lessons prepare children for a modern gig and digital economies, foster entrepreneurial thinking, and significantly reduce the likelihood of costly financial mistakes in the future, creating a strong foundation for lifelong financial competence and confidence. Number one, commissions build generational wealth mindset. Kids raised on commissions develop a mindset of earners, investors, and creators, deeply internalizing responsibility, discipline, and the ability to spot and seize opportunities. They learn that income is not automatic, but earned through effort, initiative, and strategic thinking. Over time, this mindset compounds into long-term wealth creation as children grow up understanding critical financial principles like leverage, productivity, delayed gratification, and the exponential power of compounding. They begin to see money not just as a reward, but as a tool to create more value, build assets, and achieve meaningful goals. Parents focus on passing down systems, habits, and principles rather than just handing over money, making financial success a repeatable family tradition rather than a matter of luck or chance. This approach transforms parenting into financial mentorship, where children learn by example and practice, gaining practical skills in earning, investing, and wealth management. Financial literacy becomes embedded in daily life, teaching children to think strategically, manage risks, and make informed decisions. Wealth becomes a structured system taught at home rather than lessons learned through trial and error, laying the true foundation for generational prosperity. Over time, children develop confidence, independence, and a proactive approach to money, enabling them to build, sustain, and grow wealth across their lifetime while creating a lasting legacy for future generations. Commissions teach kids the connection between effort and income from an early age. They build work ethic, responsibility, and financial intelligence naturally. Entrepreneurial thinking develops through real-world earning experiences. Kids learn budgeting, negotiation, and merit-based reward systems. Parents become financial mentors instead of allowance providers. Open money discussions strengthen family trust and transparency. Earned money encourages discipline, saving, and long-term planning. Children internalize value creation and productivity as core beliefs. This approach prepares kids for adult financial realities and modern economies. Commissions turn childhood tasks into lifelong wealth education systems. Giving commissions instead of allowances teaches kids how money truly works. Effort, discipline, and value creation become part of their identity. The simple shift can shape their financial destiny for decades. Raise earners, not dependents, and build generational wealth from home. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more powerful parenting and money strategies.